Once again, good morning to students. Page number 72, grade 3rd EVS. Textbook question answer. Which all vehicle did the children travel in? Which vehicle you are using for traveling? Which vehicle you are using? Now here I have written bus, train, car, cycle, rickshaw and train. So mostly we are using car, cycle, train, bus or rickshaw. So here you will write this answer from the PDF also and from this video also. Now next question is there. How would you choose to go from your house to the place where written below? Write in the box. Here you are there. And if you want to go to the market, which vehicle will you use? Here options are given to you and we will write here the name of vehicle. You will write it yourself. Your means you, आप हो यहाँ पर. If you want to go to the market, आप कौन सा vehicle use करोगे? If you want to go to the school, which vehicle will you use? Friend's house, Nani's house. If Nani's house is far from your house, then which vehicle will you use? Then across the sea, sea में जाना है तो which vehicle you use? Across the river, river में जाना है तो कौन सा vehicle use करोगे? Relatives who live in hilly areas, जो mountain, जो hilly area, rock area में रहते हैं, वो जहाँ जाओगे तो कौन सा vehicle use करोगे? So here, this is your work, that which vehicle you will use to travel from one place to another. I will give you one example. I am here. If I want to go to the market, I will use my scooter. If I want to go to the school, I will use my bicycle. If I want to go to my friend's house, I will use my bicycle. So here, yourself you have to write here. And which vehicle will you use? That you have to write yourself. Now, page number 73. Here, write in front of each picture what the vehicle is used for in the place provided. Draw the picture of some other vehicles. Write their names and what they are used for. Are all these vehicles used for our travel? Here you can see one picture, that is hand cart, lorry. Okay, we used for various purpose. We use selling the fruits and vegetable and we are carrying that. हम इसके ऊपर हम fruits and vegetable carry करके जाते हैं and we are selling them. Have you observed that people who are carrying vegetables and fruits and they are selling? Now male one. Here is the male one. You can see here that maybe we observed in around post office that used to take a mail from one place to another. ये use होता है हमारा mail जो we are giving the letters that they are sending to from one place to another place. Now here, next picture is there. Cycle. This cycle is for those who are disabled. Have you seen these people that are disabled? Here, that used for the disabled people is used people to move from one place to another. Is used for the disabled people. And what is the purpose of that using? They are move from one place to another place. एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाने के लिए they are using this. Now, next picture is there. Tractor. Yes, we have seen this tractor in our farm and farmers are using these things. Why they are using? Because it's used farmer for tilling the field. Field को field में they are using to grow the crops. Okay, farmer is using these vehicles. Thank you. This answer you will write down in your textbook from the PDF also and from the video also. Now here, page number 74, and that vehicle is double-decker bus used to carry passenger from one place to another. Yes, this double-decker bus, we have seen bus that carry passenger and from one place to another. एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाने के लिए bus are useful for the people. Now here, next picture is with you. Ambulance. Yes, we have seen ambulance. Where we have seen this ambulance? In the hospital. So what is the use of this vehicle? Ambulance is used to take patients to the hospitals. जो बीमार है वो लोगों को ले जाने के लिए एम्बुलेंस यूजफुल है. Now here, school bus. Here you will draw picture of a school bus, and what is the use of school bus? School bus carries children from home to school and from school to home. Yes, school bus क्या किसके लिए यूजफुल है? For the children that carry from home to school और स्कूल से घर. हम स्कूल में आते हैं बस से और बस से घर जाते हैं. So this school bus useful to carry the children. Thank you. Page number 75. Name of some vehicles are given in the center of wheel. Join this on one side to the number of wheels. Each vehicle has one another. Join them to what is used to run them. Now here, in your textbook, page number 75. Page number 75. Look at this wheel, and I have given answer in your PDF. From the PDF you will write answer in your textbook and notebook. Now here, that has written bus, bullock cart, scooters and rickshaw. Here written car, metro train, boat, truck, bicycle and motorcycle. So here they have written how they are run. 3 wheels किस में होते हैं, 4 wheels किस में होते हैं, metro that 4 wheels किस में होते हैं, driven by humans, driver by animals, run by electricity, run on petrol or diesel or gas. So here we will write 2 vehicles, wheels किस में यूज होते हैं, 3 wheels किस में यूज होते हैं, 4 wheels किस में यूज होते हैं, metro that 4 wheels वो किस में यूज होते हैं, driven by human means human being चलाता है वो, driven by animals चलाता है वो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलता है वो, और पेट्रोल डीजल और गैस से चलता है वो. सो हियर आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. बुलॉक कार्ट. बुलॉक कार्ट इज रन बाय एनिमल्स. स्कूटर के हाउ मेनी व्हील्स विल बी देयर? 2. कार 4 wheels, 3 wheels rickshaw. So you will write this answer in your notebook and join in your textbook. Thank you. Dear students, page number 76. Here one more activity for you. That can you imagine which vehicle people use for travel before 20 years from now? Ask your family members and friends and fill in the tables. You can add more. Now here you have to ask your grandparents, mother and father that before 20 years which vehicle they are using and now which vehicle they are using. Before 20 years पहले वो कौन सा vehicle यूज करते थे, अभी वो कौन सा vehicle यूज कर रहे हैं, वो आपके पेरेंट्स को पूछना है. Here whom you asked and their answer means yourself, which vehicle you are using. Your friend, nowadays which vehicle they are using. Your chacha means your uncle. Your teacher, which vehicle they are using. So you have to fill this blank with yourself. It is your HW. And you can add more, your mother and father, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, which vehicle they are using, you can fill it here. Now next, page number 77, we have done this activity. with the use of matchstick. And now next is there. If anybody makes a chuk 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 sound, you know at once that is being made from the train. Yes, वो sound कौन बनाता है? Train बनाता है. From the sound given below, can you tell which vehicle is it? One example is given. Now here, chuk chuk chuk, that vehicle's voice, train. Pon pon pon, truck. Gurr gurr gurr, motorcycle. Pin pin pin, scooter. Tup tup tup, horse cart. Pring pring pring, bicycle. So here you will fill this blank that of voice of vehicles in your textbook. Now next is there, you can see page number 78, and you can see here there is one building, fireman, policeman, ambulance one, and fireman is also there. So that building is damaged, and we will write answer of this question. So here what can you see in this picture? आप क्या देख रहे हो इस picture में? Okay, here you can write answer from the PDF I have sent. We can see the flames and smoke from the building. Yes, what we have seen here? Smoke from the building. We can see fire brigade men working to control the fire. What fireman is doing? Is controlling the fire. And जो धुआं बाहर से आ रहा है, fireman उसको पानी डाल के कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. Now, which vehicle can you see in this picture? आप कौन सा vehicle देख रहे हो इस picture में? An ambulance, police van, and fire brigade van. We can see in this picture three things we can see, three vehicles we can see. That is ambulance van, police van, and fire brigade van. Now, what are these vehicles used for? वो किसके लिए यूजफुल है? Why we are using this vehicle? Fire brigade man trying to control the fire. फायरमैन क्या कर रहे हैं? फायर को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. That one is useful to control the fire. And this ambulance, why we are using? To carry patients from hospitals and from the home. Ambulance is using to carry the patients from the hospital to the home. So here you will write answer from your PDF I have sent you. Thank you. Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do one activity. Grade 3rd EVS, Chapter 11. See, your own train. With the help of picture, make a toy train using empty box. Now, here I have prepared one toy train for you. So you observe it properly and make it that toy train. Look at this toy train I have prepared. Use matchbox and thermocol to prepare this toy train. Look at it very carefully. And prepare like this toy train. Thank you.